Guys, we're pulling up to, oh my gosh, is that it?
Oh my gosh, we just bought this without even looking at the auctions.
You bought it without even telling me.
Oh my gosh.
True story. Oh, it's Chester. I didn't even know he was here.
All right, we did it. How you feel?
Blessed and highly favored, baby.
Come on. Let's go see what we got.
I got a concrete guy. Look at these.
All right.
They said be careful.
Okay.
How you feel?
This is nice.
What do you think? Take it out?
Yeah.
She's our designer.
Get it all the way down to.
Yeah, it'll be nice though. Let's put like some little thingies in there.
All right, MTV Cribs this way.
Who's our neighbor?
So over here we have Kanye. On the other side we have Eminem.
Why Eminem?
It's a good air conditioner, boy. That's a big one for this little bitty house, though.
Is it?
Yeah.
You heard it here, folks. A good air conditioning.
The biggest laundry room.
We're taking this out. See, this is gonna be probably two French doors. You know, cause we don't know why they put it in. Cause it's got a door here.
What is?
Just sliding doors.
Is this the trash can?
You can move it, but it's just sliding doors and put there. So here's the laundry room. Big in it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for a laundry room.
It's big. This is a nice sized bathroom.
Little cosmetic work and it'll be looking real nice.
And that's what I mean, like stuff like this that we can knock out one room. Remember there's a hidden thing right there, remember?
Is it?
When you pull that up, wasn't that where it was at? You pulled that up.
Oh yeah, that's how you get down there, yeah.
What?
See if you move that.
No.
That's how you go in the basement here, I'll move it.
What? I thought.
That's like, not like
I
a
can't
basement,
monitor it.
it's like a crawl space.
I'm not crazy about that. Oh! Jeez. I do not like that at all.
Freddy Krueger.
He always has us do something like that just to scare us. That's the only reason why.
We're just gonna pick, see, they don't have ridges in it,
Oh,
so we're
it's
just gonna
not
paint.
even real wood. See, that's what I kept right?
Yep.
That's what I kept asking him. I was like, is it real wood or is it not? Because that's
So
easy.
what do you think about painting over it?
Yeah, definitely.
And then, hey Tony, and then we'll buy trim. Nice trim to put right here.
Uh-huh.
If you guys want to keep this floor. You know what I mean? If not, if you don't want to keep this floor, we can run the wood through, so we'll just paint. And we don't have to put nothing down. We can just go to town and paint. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I think if it's not too much, I feel like it would be cool to do different flooring.
That's cool, because that way we can just paint this without doing anything, and then we can lay the floor on top of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like it. And we're gonna
That
keep
way,
this
see,
here.
We don't have nothing here. See, so the stove was right there. We'll put a refrigerator right there.
Oh, for sure.
And we do need to build a box around them, you know?
Yeah.
Man, we could
So
upgrade that electric
the
system
stove is
too.
here. I wish the stove was there. It smells so bad in here.
What does it smell like?
Cat pee.
So this is the living room area, guys.
If you don't know what I'm talking about, every flipping show ever, they always say, it smells so bad in here. It smells like cat pee. So I just wanted to do
As
it.
if they couldn't just rip it up and it's not gonna smell like this forever. But
Which we are ripping it up.
yeah, so we
That's
got
where it's
big plans.
Cat pee.
Cat pee and something else.
Bad Theodore.
So this is like the living room area, and then right here is where we plan on doing like the dining area and having like a nice little dining area. We'll probably do something with that cabinetry.
I was so nervous about this. Oh, this one is a little bit more paneling. Oh, this one isn't.
Yep, we're just gonna paint those bad boys.
It might look cute though.
Yeah.
It's not even real wood.
It'll look nice, especially like all bright and.
Yeah, no, it will look super good. I'm just like.
The things that I really want to not put a lot of money because it's not gonna be expensive, but really nice light fixtures to make it all bright.
Everything. The
Yeah.
lights change everything.
So my dad went to go get some paint because we're gonna see what it looks like if we just went ahead and just painted all that white. But then we'll show you guys the upstairs. You ready? Mm-hmm. All right, we're going upstairs. So we'll probably do all wood up here as well. And we'll make a right first. So when you make a right, it's kind of odd because they stated this. Is there a light out there? Oh, here it is. So they stated the upstairs as a 3-bedroom, but in order to get to another bedroom, you would have to walk through that bedroom. So it's kind of an interesting layout.
Is it still said to be a 3-bedroom?
So it's technically a 3-bedroom,
That's so crazy.
yeah, because the wall's separating. So there's a bedroom over there,
There's not even a door though.
and then right through here, and then this other bedroom. So If we were to, I know, we see someone, they fell in love and they left us a note. Do not buy this house, warning. What did yours say?
We're talking about going to Merrimack.
Dang, they had some big dreams here at this house.
I love you so much, girl. Never forget me.
Love Dusty?
I love Jason. Always and forever. Amy. Did they really say don't buy this house?
Yeah, I say warning, warning, don't buy this house.
Why do they sign the walls? Why is there so many love stories? This is so weird.
So yeah, we'll tear these up, just put some drywall back up. Little midget doors, and then over here we have
Why?
and then the last bedroom, and then you can have a romantic date out here on top of the roof.
And then they fall.
That's where they fell in love.
Yep. It's pretty cool.
Yep.
Well, guys,
We did it.
first rental.
Yep.
Took a year to get, but we did it.
First,
So those plaster walls upstairs, you're thinking something like this.
all right, guys, I'm out of here. I love you.
Oh, you want me to do the
Love
key for
ya.
you real quick?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I gotta go look at something. So
I gotta go
I'll
back
wait
in
for you.
too.
Okay.
Yeah, so we found some paneling. We like this one.
I'll meet you
Yep.
down there too.
All right.
This one or this one. It's just like your basic white panels.
And we're thinking about this would be the ceilings on the upstairs bedroom attics for the ceiling.
Which
those
honestly will
corners.
probably go with this one.
Yeah, this is very like clean. It's gonna brighten it up
Because
a
the
lot.
rooms, they're not small, but they are smaller. So I think doing stuff like this is just gonna make it look so much bigger.
Mm-hmm.
Okay guys, it's been a couple of days, but I wanted to show you so far what we've done. We have ripped up the carpet and we have this nice, lovely flooring below. And then we started painting. So everything is just this really pretty light gray color. It's definitely not white, but it looks white, but it's more of a gray. And I was really concerned about the paneling, but it turned out to be really cute. That needs to be like stapled in right there, but it's gonna look so cute. So that is that. I'm gonna show you guys inspiration. So here's the living room. Inspiration. Cute. This is already looking so good. We're gonna get some new fans, I think, tomorrow. And then here's the kitchen.
Rip 'em open one.
And then inspiration. So thinking gray cabinets, white countertops, black hardware. And then inspiration. And then we have another attic room on this side with the same inspiration. So they'll be mirroring each other kind of. There's nothing set in stone yet about what I'm feeling for the bathroom, but I think I want to keep this and paint it because I think the detailing on it is kind of cute. Paint it gray, black hardware, some sort of cool mirror, circle mirror, I don't know, something modern. Either, probably some new light fixture there. We're getting a whole new tub situation, so this will be gone. And then white walls, toilet. Tony's trying to sell this on Facebook Market. This is the vanity that was in the bathroom. This mirror was in the living room. We're gonna reuse it though somewhere because it is a really nice mirror. And then I thought this was really cute. Oh, but it's kind of like a shelf. It is a shelf. Hey guys, so that is our first rental property, investment property. And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I keep showing the process, but we're so excited. We already have someone that potentially already wants to move in. It's just kind of the ball's in our court. We need to get the contract over to her and whatever else, but I'm just really excited for this. I think this is a great house and I think it's gonna make some people really happy because it's gonna be beautiful and a good subdivision. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys hopefully later. Bye.